$10 10-minute T1N Wind Noise Fix. I had it done once already, but it started coming off. I'm gonna sand this paint and then re-stick it. I found the gray when I went to get more, so I'm gonna use the gray because it'll match a little bit. You won't see it. It took me more time to set up and clean up and do the actual job. So that's it. Just make sure the paint is clean. If you use alcohol, just clean off any oil residue or anything. That's it. Seals the top, seals the door. Your wind noise is gone.